new game, baby. That's scary.
Whoa, it's gray.
What? Oh, I didn't know. Which one's Banban?
Arrows? They let you play this using arrows?
Dude, thank God. That's a lot of some beautiful lighting. Holy shit!
Oh my
dude,
God!
You can knock around the trash can.
Oh, 10 out of 10 game.
Wow.
What are you doing with it?
Getting on top of it. I'm taking this with me. Can you pick it up? No, you can't.
Hold on, let me see if I can fix that.
Oh, I found it. I found the blue key card.
I wonder what door it goes to. Here, just
The yellow door. Okay, I don't give a fuck. There's a drone. There's this thing.
What'd you do without me?
Got a remote.
Oh shoot, we need batteries.
Dear mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. Wow, dude, this is so fucking scary. Dude, Claro, why is she here?
That's Claire, not Claro. It's not like Drano.
You might be sleeping. With that, how do you close the thing?
Try pressing E.
Oh, it's E. But not escape or space or enter.
Yippee! What is that?
It's a drone. Am I controlling this?
I have no idea. I guess try directing it to hit the buttons.
Oh.
Try hitting the other one too.
Do you mind? There. Here! Fuck.
Oh, I can already tell you're gonna love this. Hey, you're not... No. You can't even see anything.
Don't care.
Is there a crouch button? A destructive tool.
Makers of this game are a fucking tool.
Tools. It's brothers.
Oh yeah, sorry. I bet they kiss.
At least they have physics.
Yeah, only moderately enjoyable thing about this game. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Ow.
Oh. Well, that would have been helpful.
Hey, buddy. Blow me.
Find eggs? Like that? Wait, the bird eats eggs?
Why did it just have a fucking bass drop, dude? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Did it? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Pressed,
wait.
oh, okay. Yeah, I pressed it and the thing went on here. If I was paying attention to this dumbass game, I'd probably notice it, but I didn't.
What's the prize?
Key card.
Oh, give it a second to regurgitate it. There we go.
Watch it. The button's gonna open that door.
Well, yeah, what other door would it open?
I'm so fucking smart.
Yeah, okay. What's the note? What does that mean?
It's like a Roblox game.
Yeah. Is this a platforming thing? Wait, what's the bird saying? What the hell is that?
I like how they just have a giant pit. And they're saying it's a ball pit.
Well, yeah.
What was my color?
Well, the bird was pink. There we go.
Too easy. What a thrill.
What a thrill. Uh-oh.
Oh, you can't. Okay, that's.
I think that thing's about to kill you. No, never mind.
It's not even. That's. I feel like it was more. It was more scared of me than. What?
It's gonna hit the invisible wall, dude.
This thing fucking.
Jump off the edge.
Oh, now you can do.
Perfect. Don't worry. I think if you look at it, it's fine.
What did that do? Oh, fucking great, man. Nope, kill yourself. Can it get to me?
Hold shift to sprint. Hold shift to sprint.
Sure can try. Fuck you. Holy shit, dude.
Oh my god.
Fucking poor Banban, dude. Orange. Let's see what creepy creature we find now. Okay, nothing.
Maybe the homework creature.
Maybe the computer creature.
Maybe the boarding pass creature.
Maybe the Madrid pizza. I don't know.
Maybe the QR code creature. Oh, I should have scanned that. Actually, no. That would have given me a virus.
I don't got that yet.
Ah.
Oh wow.
Is there a door in there? Oh no, that makes the button hittable.
Oh hey. I love how long the thing lasts before you can. They should make a second game of it. They should make a third too.
No. So what did that do? Ah.
No, it won't let me. Yeah, that's fucking scary, dude. So scary, dude. It's like a pit. I thought it was a normal lift until I realized it was the scary lift.
It was the meatworms lift.
It was the worm lift. Ooh.
The creepy crawly lift.
You coming with or what?
There's probably some creepy things if you look around.
Fucking asshole.
Like that light!
Ooh, the creepy lights. Oh wow, dude. So fucking scary. Someone just burp?
Yeah, I thought that's what it was too.
Yeah, gotcha. Oh, look. Oh, I know it.
Oh, here comes the thumbnail.
It's the guy himself.
It's the thumbnail!
It's Banban. What's up, Banban? Okay. He got nervous. He got scared. He didn't want to talk to me. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, Banban?
What the hell?
I like how it says the kindergarten, but there's no.
What?
That was it. This one will be easy to edit. Yeah, no, I'm not playing. I'm not playing any more of that. Yeah, that's enough for any of that. If this gets 15 likes,